Howdy mates. Here's my third and last video I wanted to make for today. So, just take it in for a moment. Oh man. I actually really forgot how much I love coming here. Nature is truly amazing. And as I was mentioning about yesterday in one of my articles that I shared, I was talking about Aldo Leopold. I'm sure some of you have heard of him. And he was one of the people who first incorporated the land ethic, which basically meant when we are connected with our ecosystem of where we are, we will then have the opportunity to apply ethics not just to ourselves but to the land. So in a way, it's like treat the land as you would treat yourself to be healthy. Because think of it this way. As humans, we are indeed a part of nature. We have to apply the same skills of adaptability and survivability. Just as the rest of the homies on the planet, we have to make space for ourselves too. We have the same exact needs. And a lot of the resources that we need comes from nature. I mean, think of it. You know, the three essentials: your food, water, and shelter. A lot of the food that we consume had to be grown via the earth. And then think about the water. Perfect illustration of the example. I mean, probably back in the day, you probably could drink this water. But with how man has treated their environment, you probably really can't drink this water. And then, last but not least, shelter. You know, as I mentioned in my last video, the Adena, they would sometimes use these rocks for their mounds. Or they would use the trees of the sycamore to make their shelters. So it's like, in order for us to survive, we need nature. And that's why it is indeed a part of us. But yeah, this is, as I said, this is Massie's Creek. I would really recommend for any of you to visit here. I mean, this is probably locally in my top 3. And that says a lot. Get to a lot of different nature preserves. So this place is up towards the top. But yeah, it's near the town of Cedarville, so it's a fairly quiet area. Yeah, essentially what creates that waterfall there is from the slump blocks, you see. And you figure thousands of years ago, those rocks fell off of that cliff. So that is another amazing part about water, is that it takes the path of least resistance. And it's adaptable. Water will always find a way. It's resilient. So even with all these blockades of the rocks, the water still finds a path. So in a way, we could learn from the water. too. Is knowing how to be resilient. Oh man. I truly love it here. I know I've said that already, but I can't help it. So alright. Thought I would share that with you guys. Hope you got something out of the video. I just wanted to mention a couple of points that have been on my mind lately. Sometimes you gotta spread the word, you know? Sometimes I have to remind myself why I'm incorporating this page and why I'm even studying what I'm studying. So, hope all of you get to enjoy your Saturday and enjoy a dose of nature. We all could use it. It's help keep my sanity, especially in these times. So, alright. Hope all of you enjoy your day, and Journey on a Journey is out. Take care, folks.